Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Ford GT Mk5 is an automotive masterpiece, designed with aerodynamics and raw power at its core. Its carbon fiber body boasts sharp lines and sleek curves, from its aggressively styled front splitter to its rear diffuser, maximizing both airflow and downforce. The active rear wing adjusts dynamically at high speeds, while signature butterfly adorns add a dramatic flair. With its teardrop cabin shape and low, wide stance, the GT Mk5 is a stunning blend of form and function. Inside, the driver-centric dashboard features a 10-inch fully digital instrument cluster, offering customizable performance metrics, allowing the driver to tailor the display based on driving conditions. The central 8-inch Sync 4 touchscreen infotainment system provides intuitive controls for navigation, media, and smartphone integration. High-quality materials, including carbon fiber and Alcantara, adorn the cabin, with the leather-wrapped steering wheel designed for precision control. In the rear, racing-inspired bucket seats are finished in luxurious leather, ensuring a snug yet comfortable experience for both driver and passenger. While the focus remains on performance, the cabin is undeniably premium in its appointments. At the heart of the GT Mk5 is a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing a heart-pounding 660 horsepower. The car accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.0 seconds, making it a contender among supercar giants like the McLaren 720S and Lamborghini Huracan. Despite its power, the GT Mk5 offers a respectable fuel efficiency of 14 miles per gallon combined. Priced at around $500,000, the GT Mk5 features cutting-edge technology and a track-ready driving experience. Safety is assured with advanced driver aids, while its carbon fiber build ensures reliability. Though not built for practicality, its performance and luxury make it a must-have for supercar enthusiasts.